How you doing, Steve? Look where I am, in your old bedroom. You come in, I want to show you something. It's my new toy, what I bought. You saw a bit of it on Facebook, didn't you? My little Chinese air rifle. I want to show a bit more of it for you. Hold on a minute. Right, so this is what I wanted to show you. As you can see, this is my new little toy. It's got a beautiful red wood hard finish on the stock. It's a bit different to the usual air rifle because the brake doesn't break in the barrel, but it's got an under lever which cocks it like that, and the pellet goes straight in there. It's got really nice sights, you can see them, a nice fluorescent green here and a nice fluorescent red there. It's pretty powerful. One day I'll show you. We'll try and get to show how it works. Hold on a minute. Right, what I've done is put up a nice little lemonade bottle as a target, and let's see what it does. It's raining a bit now, so quite impressive, eh? So that's it then, Steve. The SMK db5 airgun. Quite a powerful little weapon. See you soon, mate. Speak soon.